Kristen.
I'm Anna.
And this is our brand new channel called Makeup with Madre, where we watch fancy YouTube videos, makeup tutorials, and then we try to recreate the looks on each other.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start out easy with a really giant New Year's Eve glam look from Nikki Tutorials.
Mm-hmm.
She said that it's her most extravagant look ever.
Yeah.
Also, we're using all of our drugstore makeup because we don't have most of the things.
We don't have any.
We
of
have
the
hardly
things.
any of
No,
the things. We have
nothing.
brushes, but not the right ones.
Yeah.
Colors, but not exactly the same.
Mm-hmm.
Also, we'll link to the video below so that you can also try this look from the original one or just from what ours look like.
Yeah.
I feel like they're going to be solid.
They're gonna be great.
Okay, so first we're gonna do foundation,
Mhm.
and we'll trade back and forth every time. So first, also we only have one foundation because
For both of us,
we
even though
share
we're
it,
not
even though
the same shade.
even though we don't have the same shade.
So the first step, she says, is to prime, but we don't have primer.
We have no primer. We're gonna use moisturizer. We feel like it probably doesn't do the same thing, but your skin should be moist.
Yeah. You
want moist skin.
And it feels really good.
It smells good too. We'll link, we'll tell you our products in case you want to buy our drugstore versions. This is actually a good one. It's Origins Ginseng.
What is it?
Ginseng.
I can't see it.
It's energy boosting moisturizer.
So we'll have lots of energy.
It smells good.
Okay.
All right. So now, I think it's important to say I've never used a beauty blender before.
Oh my.
So, because when I grew up, we just used our fingers like regular people.
Well, this
is
is
that
I'm
gross.
gonna use.
Okay,
this
do I
one
put
so
it
you
on
can
here
share
or on your
germs.
face?
On your hand.
I put it on my hand?
Yeah, and then you put it from your hand onto my face.
Okay. I'm learning.
You don't need. Well, you need more than that. What
Well,
are you doing?
Okay, here we go. Now in the for our eyes, eye primer. This is from MAC. It is at least 5 years old. It's called Lay and Low. But the tip of this that I learned is if you mix coconut oil in with it, then it will not be hard anymore and you can keep using it.
Okay.
Now, I mostly put it on with my finger, but she put it on with a little brush and I want to try that.
So we can then.
Okay, so we're using this orange at the mall. So I feel like it's gonna be good. Okay, so what you want to do with this one, what's a blender brush? Is use a blendy brush. Blendy brush? This one? I feel like it's this
let me
one.
look at what size she used. Stop. Pretty.
It looks like it's fluffier.
Big.
Okay, so this brush. We're gonna use this brush.
That is. I would if I would use this brush.
We're gonna use this brush, and it's gonna really just go all over the eye. It's a lot of orange is what's happening
Yeah,
here.
and she said that it's gonna look bad until the very end.
I feel like that
It
is
might
accurate.
look bad during the end too,
Hold on.
but
This orange.
no offense.
She just said your eyes are small and strangely shaped. No offense.
Okay, close your eyes.
That's offense. Offense taken. So the
That's
purple is
she's
going to
using
go
a smaller brush.
because it's a smaller spot. Like this one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so the purple is going to go on the creases.
The outer corner.
In the inner corner, just not in the middle is the only place you didn't put it.
Yeah.
This is going to look amazing. Do I use that? They look weird.
I don't think I've ever worn this much.
I'm not going to lie. They look weird.
Okay, I don't know.
But in a good way.
I'm using my phone. So now we don't have the tutorial.
We have no more tutorial. We're flying blind. You gotta come this way.
The dark, like indigo. This was a gift from my great aunt.
It's from Ulta.
Yeah.
Ooh, I think we use that.
That's not indigo.
Well, there's dark blue.
It was like dark blue.
Okay, then I say we use this. It's cream on our fingers. In order to get the glitter sparkles to stick on, with your eyes closed. All right, so now we're going to,
No, I needed to put it on the inside.
oh yeah, we need some sparkles on the inside. We'll do that at the same time.
Okay.
Not if you can close one eye.
I can't. Maybe we should just skip the brows.
Okay, let's skip the brows.
Yeah,
Okay,
'cause
so
the-
now we're gonna do, she's not gonna like this. We're gonna do lashes on your waterline. Eyeliner on your waterline, and then below it, and then make it all poofy. A little. Oh yeah, yeah. You look totally like a model with your big eyes.
Okay. Oops.
I'm scared. Do you
No,
want me
I
to do
can-
my own?
no, I can do
I'm
it.
very scared
I
you're
can
gonna
do it.
poke my eye out.
I got it on your eye.
It's fine. It'll go away.
Did you feel that?
No.
Are you eye dead?
Nope.
Contour,
I don't know
bronzer.
I don't know how to
Bronzer
do
blush.
this. I'm gonna do
Try.
it. Okay. Which one do I use first?
Bronzer.
I don't know which one that is.
One of them.
Okay, so I need a fluffier brush. That goes all over your face?
No.
Where does it go? Oh, okay. Like below your cheekbones? Okay.
I think.
I do a lot with the blush because you want your eyes to do all the talking. Some sparkle highlighter.
Why are you using such a big brush?
What do you use for highlighter?
A smaller brush.
Why?
Because it doesn't go everywhere.
Oh. Nude lip, because you want your eyes to do the talking.
Good.
Wait, you need mascara?
Oh,
We're not
your
doing
mascara.
eyelashes. So look up. I don't really know how to put mascara on.
Not like that.
Look down.
Why are you going down?
Because you said not like that.
Just
Wow, I'm so scared. For you.
Okay.
All right.
I don't know how to do lip liner.
Oh, good.
Does it go like outside?
Just a little bit, not like way up.
Stop talking. I know I asked you to. Get it out.
Great.
Okay.
Okay, here's our final looks.
Let me see. I have a spotlight.
All right.
Ready? We have a spotlight.
Oh, no, that's too bright. Nope, nope. Okay, so these are our final looks. Right here, New Year's Eve, glam. I feel like we look amazing. Oh,
we do.
We need to look at ourselves in the mirror.
Ow. I can't.
Okay.
You guys didn't get to see yourself. Oh my goodness.
I did good, right?
It's so
Good.
It's turquoise.
It's good. Let's see.
It is good.
Oh. I feel like yours is brighter.
It is brighter.
I feel like
I don't know how you did
feel
that.
like if we can vote on whose makeup is better, I feel like I did hers better.
You did. You did mine better.
All right, let's vote. All right, stay tuned for more amazing videos like this one, but shorter.
Yeah.
Makeup with Madre.